Here we go. The moment of truth. Let's hear it.
Another production, we're breaking it down. Film was old one, but cities it down. On YouTube's main stage, we're making it sound so that there's a profit and be a part of the print.
For full access to uberduck, sign up for our premium plan.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using this website to make a rap song. So this is my first experience, so let's try to give it a shot. To be honest, this website looks great. I think we can expect good things from it, but let's see. Okay, first things first, let's sign up. Let me do that real quick. Okay, now we're in. Now let's see what we have here. Okay, select a beat. Let's try this one. Oh, okay, seems nice. All right, okay. Let's this one's also good. Let's see. Wow, these all are good, not gonna lie. Okay. What do we have here? Voice selection.
What am I going to do? I think I'm lost. The birthday cake is going to melt and Wendy will be so very cross with me. I hate being animated.
I'm not saying I'd eat a squirrel
the
if I
last
caught
time,
one.
I'm
But
not
they do
giving
look
you a
pretty tasty.
piggyback.
It's
no need to
undignified.
panic, but we're getting a bit more personal now.
Uh,
We're just going to sit down here and have a nice friendly chat.
okay, let's not try the.
A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away.
Okay, let's see this. No. Okay, now for the lyrics, I will go to ChatGPT and generate some lyrics. It's up to you. What do you want? It's easy, so I think that's okay. And that is it. Okay, we have two verses. Let's put it together. All right. What big? What big gay? Okay, we have a lot of choices. Let's explore. Okay. Kiwi. Let's try. Let's try kiwi first. Here we go. The moment of truth. Let's hear it.
Another production, we're breaking it down. Grandma's old one, but cities it down. A new display stable, we're making it sound so that there's a problem and be a part of the brain.
For full access to uberduck, sign up for our premium plan.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going.
What did I just listen to? That was so bad. Oh my god. Wow. Damn. Okay, let's try again to make that sound at least better, because that was really cringe. Okay, we have to do better.
Partnership productions that we're breaking it down. Faded vibes worldwide from city to town. On YouTube's mainstay, we're making a stand. So hit that subscribe button, be a part of the brand.
For full
Wow.
Nice.
Okay, that was I think better, but not good. I think I need to try once again.
Chilling on the block, feeling so fly. Underneath the neon lights was the stars in the sky. Vibing to the rhythm in the cool night breeze. Lights are rolling, let's ride with ease.
Wow.
Okay, this sounds good at least. It sounds so much better. Okay, well, one last thing. Let's try to make with Drake lyrics. Okay, let's try that.
Oh, right foot up, left foot slide. Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we got to slide. Yeah, you can't let this one slide.
for full